Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. Wanted to shoot a quick video, talk about the print-on-demand Quickstart program. Have you ever thought about getting into print-on-demand, but you're not quite sure what to do or where to go or how to get going? Well, this Quickstart program is for you. Let me just show you what's going on here. So here we are in the program, print-on-demand Quickstart program. We got video 1, which is all about picking a niche and finding out what's working for others first. Then we got video 2. It's all about getting designs created and launched. Even if you can't do it yourself, that's no problem. Video 3 is testing. So we have to find some winners, so we got to put a bunch of tests out there. And video 4 is how to scale your winners to the moon. But that's not all we got. We got a couple bonuses for you too. Bonus 1 is the top 5 niches that you should be in. Bonus 2 is the best angle to use with your print-on-demand products. And bonus number 3 is the top 3 types of products that you should be selling right now. So check it out, get in there, you get instant access. I think you will like this. And the best part is you don't even need a store to do this program. All right, check out the PPC Coach Print on Demand Quick Start program right now.